My name is Alejandro Sosa with Peña Paso Realty Group. We are your dedicated new construction real estate experts right here in El Paso, Texas. Today, we are checking out the Haley floor plan by Edwards Homes. Edwards Homes is an established and popular builder here in El Paso with many floor plans available throughout the area. This beautiful home features 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,879 square feet. And my favorite part about this home is going to be the sliding doors to the backyard. If you like this home, have more questions, or want to know more, reach out to Peña Paso Realty Group.